In this video, I will show you how to download Trust Wallet via your mobile phone. Step 1. Go to App Store or Play Store and type in Trust Wallet in the search bar. Step 2. Select the Trust Wallet app, download and open the app. Step 3. Click Create a new wallet. Step 4. Create a 6-digit passcode. Step 5. Read and tick all the boxes. When you click Continue, you will see Secret Phrase. Step 6. The secret phrase. Write these 12 words down in the order you see them, then click Continue. Step 7. Verify your secret phrase. The 12 words will now show in a different order. Click them in the same order you wrote them down in earlier. Step 8. It is important you don't share your secret phrase with anyone, as this is the way to access your wallet. Once completed, your wallet is ready to use. Thanks for watching!